Bonjour, grade 7 students. Since the last video, we are seeing lesson 1, La lettre de Valérie. In this lesson, we saw how to write an informal letter and we saw a letter which was written by Valérie from Paris to her friend Isabelle. At the end of the letter, I had given a homework to do. Now, let's check the answer. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Answer the following questions. Nommez quelques monuments français. Name some French monuments. The answer is Tour Eiffel, Sacré-Cœur et le Musée d'Orsay. Quelle est la capitale de la France? What is the capital of France? The answer is Paris. Quel est le plus haut sommet de la France? What is the highest peak in France? The answer is le Mont Blanc est le plus haut sommet de la France. Quel est l'hymne national de la France? Qui l'a écrit? What is the national anthem of France? Who wrote this? The answer is La Marseillaise, l'hymne national est un chant révolutionnaire écrit par M. Roger de Lille. Cochez la bonne réponse. Check the correct answer. La divise Paris en deux parties. The dash divides Paris in two parts. Garonne, Seine, Loire. The answer is Loire. On peut utiliser le tiret pour voyager. You can use the dash for traveling. GNU WHO TGV. The answer is TGV. Tiret est un fromage français. Dash is a French cheese. Le camembert, Amul, Chanel. The answer is le camembert. En tiret, la Bastille a été prise. In dash, the Bastille was taken. 1689, 1968, 1942. The answer is 1689. Le tiret est le plus haut sommet de la France. The dash is the highest peak of France. Le Mont Blanc, les Alpes, les Himalayas. The answer is le Mont Blanc. Now, in this video, we are going to revise the basic of French grammar, which we have already learnt. In some languages like French, nouns are divided into different classes. For example, French divides noun into two classes using gender: masculine and feminine. Let's take a look at some masculine noun. Lit, fromage, village, livre. Lit is bed, fromage is cheese, village is village, livre is book. Now, feminine noun. Cuillère, bout, review, syllable. Cuillère is spoon, bout is mud, review is review, syllable is syllable. There are some rules for learning the gender of French nouns, but they are quite complex. Many consider the designation of gender to be largely arbitrary. So, it's likely that you will just have to memorize them. Okay, so Now you know that nouns are divided into gender classes. But why is this important? Learning gender noun is important for forming sentence in French. For example, lit means bed in French and it is a masculine noun. If you want to refer to bed in a sentence, however, you need to add le before the noun. If you want to refer to any masculine noun in French, you need to use le or un. Le fromage, le village, and livre. On the other end, we use la and une to refer to feminine noun. La cuillère, la boue, une revue, une syllabe. Now, you know how to. Similar to nouns, French verb can also be separated into different classes. There are three classes of verb in French and they are 1. Verbs ending in er. Manger, nager, travailler, aimer. Manger is to eat. Nager is to swim. Travailler is to work. Aimer is to love or to like. 2. Verbs ending in er. Finir, relatenir, réagir. Finir is to finish. Relatenir is to slow down. Réagir is to react. 3. Verbs ending in er, and irregular verbs. Mourir, reservoir, lire. Verbs ending in er and irregular. Mourir, reservoir, lire. Mourir is to die. Reservoir is to receive. Lire is to read. Each class of verb will be conjugated differently when used in a sentence. I will teach you how to conjugate verb of different classes in different video. For now, just know that there are 3 different categories of verb in French. Okay, now you know about nouns and verbs in French. Let's learn how to form basic sentence in French. Forming basic sentences in French is quite simple, especially for English speakers, as French uses the same word order as English. Consider the following example. Le garçon mange un gâteau. In English, this sentence means the boy eats a cake. If you break down the French sentence, we can see the order matches the English sentence 1 to 1. Le, the, garçon, boy, mange, eats, un, a, gâteau, cake. We can create basic sentence in French simply by exchanging English words for French words. Did you notice how we use un here? Because gâteau is a masculine noun. If the object had been a feminine noun, we would have used une instead. We can create any basic sentence in French by starting with a subject. In this case, the boy, le garçon. Then followed it with a verb, eats, mange, and finally end it with the object, the cake, angato. As you can see, the word order in French is just like English. Finally, let's learn how to create negative sentences in French. Negative sentence in French is simple. Simply add ne before the verb and pas after it. J'ai, je n'ai pas. J'aime lire, je n'aime pas lire. Juliette mange, Juliette ne mange pas. You can make sentence in French this way. Well done. Let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what we have learned. In this lesson, you learned that French nouns are divided into two classes, masculine and feminine. Similar to noun, French verbs are divided into three groups. French uses the same subject, verb, object, word order like English. Finally, you learned how to negative sentences in French. Here, we have recapped only the basic of French grammar. From the next video, we will see grammar in detail from Enchanté through our textbook. Now a homework for you to do. Make your own French bon voyage greeting card using A4 sheet or chart paper with at least 6 to 10 simple sentences. Bon voyage greeting card means happy journey greeting card. Make this greeting as creative as you can. See you in the next video with more grammar in our lesson. Merci. Au revoir.